here.
He's doing it.
Pulling up the rear. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
That beeping. Started. You gonna cook them in? John's pot.
Oh, I'm here. Low and slow, baby. Low and slow. Hold on, my hair's messy. That's right, I'm a Peterbilt. I'm making a lot of noise coming up the mountain.
Steady and dependable.
It's just the Jake brake.
Yep. Get out of the camera, Ethan!
I wanted to be in the shot.
It might not.
It might.
Or it might.
It might not.
I almost brought my little Gerber. My dad bought me a little field mouse. He bought me when I was like
Laugh up!
15 years old. We used to go do something, but I never could do it.
Alright, so get some pictures here.
Ta-da!
We're here.
Dad put the steaks away. Well, you have them.
Sure we did. Just a good old dry bag.
Yeah, it's my food bag. Nice and dry. Then we're gonna go over to our handy dandy hanging thingy. Pull her up.
Reminds me of and pulleys.
And there's our food.
Jurassic Park.
Nice and high, away from Ethan the bear.
That's right. I'm dangerous.
What is that?
It's a grizzly.
Yeah.
I wore my Montana grizzly hat today because it matched this shirt. That's literally it. That's all. Only reason why.
Got it.
And it's ventilated on the top, so
Yeah.
that's cool.
What are you thinking of your trip? First trip so far?
It's actually pretty fun. My toes, my little pinky toes they're a little worn out from hiking up and down, but
Your shoes might be too narrow at the toes.
yeah, they are. I'm a wide foot. I got a wide foot.
Yeah.
There you go, everyone. I have a wide foot.
That's why you wear topos with wide toe box.
Or
I feel much better.
Ultras, whatever
Ultras,
you call them.
yeah.
Ultras.
They're pretty similar.
They are wide toe spans, but all of my Ultras are they're worn out. They look almost as bad as Eli's shoes.
Yeah, they're pretty bad.
We're gonna need to get a cutaway of Eli's shoes at some point in
The
this.
soles are almost falling off.
Eli needs another sole.
Yeah. Bless his heart.
Bless his little heart and soul.
This weekend's the peak. It's beautiful. Oi.
I'm gonna post this on my MySpace. Thank you for all the chuckles. I appreciated that.
Got that on video.
Yep, I did.
MySpace.
I'm gonna post it on my refrigerator.
Great idea. I'm one of the 7 people still on MySpace.
I can put it.
Do you want to pre-cut it? Do you want to
Nah,
cut
just
it?
put
Or we can cook it and cut it after.
Cook it and cut it.
Okay.
Probably cut a little.
I'll put.
I mean,
put it
I'll
over
eat
it.
that one. You guys can.
Cut off the other ones.
All right, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna just. Hey, you have
We're gonna have to drink that.
Um,
That's good stuff.
I'm just gonna keep this in here.
The rice. What are the instructions on the rice, Dana?
Cook it.
Boil it.
That's it, man.
Okay. Cool.
Now go over there, take the cap off, and just swing the rest of the coffee grounds out.
As long as it's not trash.
It's not trash. It's actually for the bears. We need them to have some caffeine this morning.
Okay, bear.
Alright, that was 58 minutes and 50 seconds.
Good time.